Good morning, it's Sunday, November the 14th, and maybe you can see it, but it's snowing. It is officially snowing. First flakes of snow, baby. On my shirt, you can catch it. Hopefully today is the day we get the old Christmas tree up and running. We're trying to do it before we go away this week, so when we come back everything will be nice and Christmassy and we can get in the zone for all of that. But definitely that is 100% snow. It's 100% cold, and I've got my PJs on, so yeah, let's get back inside. But I just wanted to show you that because yeah, we're gearing up for a busy day. I'll see you in a little bit. As we continue the day, I'm over here. We're off on our travels to get some stuff for the week. Me, the boss, the hound, all on our way. The tree is up, not decorated, but we will tackle that when we get back. Ain't that right? Girls allowed. Alright, we're on the road. Alright. At the grocery store. Just loaded up the car. Now it's lunchtime. Because we're at Sam's. You know what that means? Cheap date night! Locked out. Get me in here. I'm a celebrity, get me in here. Let me take care of that top end of your ice cream there. Because it's got too much ice cream in there.
I saw that. I was thinking that very thing.
No, back up. Back up, I'll give you a bit in a minute.
This bun is like stuck. Red gold ketchup. Is it pickles? Oh, dang it, there's a dog.
For you. In a minute, we're going to back up.
That's cool. I just don't know what to do with this mess. I just like all that shit.
My head hurts.
Huh?
Nice gold.
Good.
Need ketchup left. Back up, tuna.
Oh, that hurts my mouth.
Hey?
I just gave her a bite of my hot dog.
You crazy woman.
So don't feel sorry for her. Bernie McBurn.
Back up. I'll give you some ice cream too.
That's it. My mouth's burning. It's just one spot. And just the ketchup.
What?
It's the ketchup. I wonder if Caleb knows you know.
Oh.